We are back on the wing. As you know, last time we got all these back together, started it running, sounded nice, and then we had a big coolant leak. So as you can see, I dropped all the coolant out. Well, not all the coolant, but all the coolant that was in the radiator. And I found out I hadn't done the bolts up there because I'm a dickhead. But there you go. So this is the pipe where it's leaking from, but it was the one at the back. So I've undone these bolts, pop, pulled this tube out. So, and this is what was in there. This is the remains of the, I suppose that was a ring at some point. But apparently this is 22 millimeters by 2.5 millimeters, or was it 3.5? I can't remember. Anyway, I had to go on to David Silver Spares and get some of them ordered. So that's where we're at with that, basically. Let's see if the torch will illuminate. There we go. Can you see in there? So you can see the tube. Yeah. Oh, look at that. You can see the tube. No seal in it. So I'm going to have to clean all that out. I'll probably end up taking the carb, the two carb manifold bits here. I'll probably end up taking them off. And then I'm thinking of putting a bungee strap around the carbs to hold them up this side so they're out of the way. Kind of hook it on the frame so I can get in there and clean that. I could just take the carbs out, but that might be a fucking nightmare. Yeah, so that's what I'm planning on doing to get that sealed. Someone posted on my last video that they used a little bit of sealant to kind of help. So I might be kind of copying that idea. You have to excuse the strobing of the torch there. Why do they put a strobe on torches? I mean, who wants a strobe? No one. So yeah, we'll get that back together, get the coolant back in. I've put it into a clean bowl. I'm going to filter it and put it back in because it's been in there for like 3 fucking minutes. I think I've got the back brake sorted. So we seem to have, no, sorry, the brakes are linked on this. So it's not just the back brake, it's the front right, that side. I'm never sure if it's right hand side so if they say right hand side, is it the side that the driver's, like when you sit on, is that the right hand side? Or when you stand here and look at the bike, right hand side, so is that the front left hand side? I don't fucking know. Answers on a postcard. Brakes are bled. The rings, there we go, in there. So the rings to seal that are in place, that's back together. It's holding fluid, it's all good. David Silver Spares for that. It's the only place we could find them, but they're on there. It's all good. So what else is next? Yeah. What is next? I think we're gonna start getting it back together. Just for everyone that knows me and is on Facebook, please don't send me every fucking Goldwing that comes up for sale on Facebook Marketplace. I'm sick of receiving this. I don't need 50 Goldwings. I like Goldwings, but I don't need 50. Maybe 49 instead. Let's put some shit back together then. Where does this fucking thing go? It is late. It is gone 11. The shelf is empty. We are back together. Everything is back on. Every bit of chrome. We are all back together. Oh, apart from the stereo. We are in the condition to ride this thing tomorrow. So I have the best neighbours. Honestly, I really do. So not only do they put up with me fucking about with noisy old motorbikes till all hours of the night and early in the morning, but I was just fitting the cassette player that I got back to the back into the Goldwing, and my neighbour comes out and he's like, "Oh mate, I got this stereo never fitted, blah 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 blah." Look at that. MP3, so I got a CD player for the Goldwing. So my buddy Eddie, he said to me, "I like your videos, but you don't teach anyone how to do anything, do you?" And I said, "Well, I'm not really how to teach people." And he said, "Well, it'd be better if you taught people." I don't know what I'm fucking doing myself. So this is a teaching moment. So you cross your laces over, that one goes underneath, and you pull it tight. Then you make a bow, then that goes round, and you pull it through. Teaching moment over. Ooh. Right. Got everything out, got some wires. Power on. For now I'm just touching the live to the battery, so let's do that. Okay, I did get a CD. CD. Okay. Oh yeah, I like punk rock. But if that ain't gonna fucking annoy people, what the fuck is? So if you like noisy punk rock, that's what I was just playing. Oh, so it's the only CD I own. It's 20 years of Discord Records. It is the only CD I own, apart from that one there of my old band, which no one needs to fucking hear. So yeah, 20 years of Discord. Good punk rock, if you enjoyed that. So here we are. The bike is together, but we have a fuel leak. So the pump is pissing out fuel all over the place. So I'm not going to get to ride it. So I'm going to leave this video here because it's getting on for long enough. Like, subscribe, come back next time. Hopefully we'll get the fuel pump fixed and we can take this fucker for a ride. Love ya.